Hello everybody, Scout Crane Spotter 1999 here, and welcome to Caldicot, situated on the Gloucester Newport Line. Here we have a 158 arriving in with the 1240 Aviva Cranes Rail service to Cheltenham, Swarth and Maesteg. And there's going to be a crossover with a HST. There's 158 830. And if I walk a bit further down and hopefully catch what the HST is stopped. So today here at Caldicot you'll be seeing services by Cross Country with Diverts, Aviva Cranes Wales, and also, I know it is, and also working. And there's Kieran. And also just here is the Great Western Main Line. So we're just right near it. So we'll catch this HST as it crawls very slowly past through as 158 830 gets ready to depart with the 1240 Aviva Cranes Rail service to Cheltenham, Swarth and Maesteg. And this HST is an Edinburgh Plymouth service. I think it might be 303 at the front. Nice great two-tone. 43 204 at the front. And 43 301. As there's a guy window hanging and filming. Well, he isn't window hanging, he's got his camera out, so he's probably filming the divert. And I have to admit, that is one good view. That is a very good sight. Okay, there goes there's 150, I think it's 925. Is it 925? Well, I'm not sure, and correction on that one, it's not the Great Western Main Line, it's the South West Main Line. I mean South Wales Main Line.
This is an extension of...
Yeah, it is an extension. It's like the North Wales coastline with West Coast Main Line, would you say? Potentially. Yeah, I'd agree with that.
Not to my territory.
Not to my So then, that's pretty good. Okay, preparing to pass through is going to be a HST from Swansea to London Paddington. If we go over here, we should see it pass through now. Nice little one tone. 43012 and 43129 as that heads into Severn Tunnel right there, the border between Wales and okay, passing through now is going to be 158798 from Cardiff Central to Portsmouth Harbour with the springboard livery. That's starting to stalk me badly.
Yes, I needed that.
Now you've got it. Okay, passing through now is going to be a 170. 170-519 from Cardiff Central. From Nottingham to Cardiff Central. There you go. Okay, also passing through is a Voyager 220031. God, everything's going to absolute... That's a rare sight though, isn't it? I guess it's a rare sight passing through both of them. Is it a Dundee one? Plymouth Dundee. And there that goes in the distance. Okay, as I've got the zoom on, down there is a class 70. As you can see, I think it's holding another 70. It's a double coal last set. I'll try and catch both the numbers of these. As we come a bit zoomed out there, we can have a little notice of it. It's not going particularly fast, but you know. These diverts are also bringing some relatively good, nice little two-tone there. Thank you very much from the driver there. So we got 7807 and 7808. Wonder what's happened to 7808. Or except if they're both running. Could be possible. And another one. 43156.
Thank me for the tone.
Tone masturbator. Nah, I seen your wave. I'm 43040. Sorry about the little weird connection. I was listening to music because there was a long wait. Well, it felt like long wait. And well, yeah, that's on its way to Swansea from London Paddington.
I missed the front.
Okay, passing through now. Is 170 110 with a service from Cardiff Central to Nottingham. Going for quite some speed.
Yeah, 1 mile an hour.
Woofed. Okay, returning in is going to be that HST with 43,305 and 239, I think it was. With a great series of tones from 7 Tunnel Junction just down the end. There's 301, sorry. And 207. Speaking again is 158952. Also down there is a 66 hauling a bit of freight, so we'll catch that nearby when it arrives in a little bit closer. Okay, we have a convoy of 66s, not just one, it's a load, so I'll try and do the numbers as soon as I can. And so we have 66 207, 112, 158, 138, 111, 155, 148, 065 and something else. I couldn't really catch the DB Schenkers because they're new and the numbers are nowhere, I can't even see that. Okay, there's a Voyager on the left, a 158 on the right. There's a race! I think the 158's going to take it, just. So, let's get the numbers of the 158 before the 222 passes. Just 2-car 158. Actually, it's looking close. Oh my god, it's looking close. It's 158763. And also we have 220 something. Who got it? What was it? 220 something.
Same as before.
What was it? I forgot it. 031, that's it. Okay, there you go.
Yeah, I'm insensible now, I'm wearing that.
Okay, nice little two-tone, as you probably never got that, but I heard it. My two-tone. 220025, bound for Plymouth. From, I think, Edinburgh. Okay, arriving in now is going to be the 1340 Weaver Cranes Rail service to Gloucester from Maesteg. It was in there somewhere. Nice little two-tone as well. We have 150 229. Okay, passing through now is a HST. Oh, and we have a 158 as well. Check it out. And then there's the HST. 43088. Oh, there's a weird set first class car and a 43197. Why? That's just ruined my OCD. Just ruined everything. Okay, our final train of the day is going to be a cross-country Voyager from Plymouth to Glasgow Central. (220,023), and as that heads on, I shall conclude my Caldicot video there. So, thank you ladies and gentlemen for watching. I do hope you have enjoyed it. If you have enjoyed it, feel free to like and subscribe. Any comments, questions, anything about my channel, any station recommendations, any of that palaver, leave it in the comments and I'll get back to it as soon as I possibly can. So, Caldicot's been alright, I think. Obviously, with the South Wales main line, I got that right at the time, is very close. You get a good variety of stuff. It's like it's a place that I know very well, of Wigan North Western. So yeah, might visit here again. Very in the future. For a long time it will be. So anyway, here at Caldicot with me was KTV Videos, ScotRail 17401, Raygun 15829 or something, STF fan. Who's here? Alright, thanks man.
Okay, so my next station will be...
So, well, there's... Alright then, yeah. So there's
OMG trains.
OMG pull.
Raygun 115829.
Yeah, I've got that.
SFT fan 99.
Yes.
RRB rail.
Yes.
You know Mike's.
Yes, I've said that, and that's no yours.
That's it.
Sound. That's done.
Okay, so
that's that.
The next station will now
So,
be...
the next station is going to be
Oh no, hang on.
back to Wigan North Western.
Western.
So I'm looking forward to that. So then, for me here at Caldicot, I shall see us all in Wigan North Western. Take care and goodbye.